Do you want to make quick and easy meals from scratch in just minutes? Hey, what's up, dancers? This is Gina McFadden of Dancer 360, your go-to coach for all things dancer health related, body, mind, and soul. And today, this is an edition of Dancer Cooking School, where I teach you how to make a from scratch, delicious recipe that doesn't take a lot of time. I am an avid at-home cook. I have 2 kids that I cook for all the time, and I come from a big Italian family. I learned a lot from my Nonna, who taught me how and why to cook from scratch, and I want to show you how easy it can be. So today I have a very fun recipe for you. It's 3 ingredients. We're talking olive oil, vinegar, and seasoning. And those 3 magical things together make salad dressing. And with salad dressing, you can turn lettuce and a few vegetables or cut up meat or whatever you have left over in your refrigerator into an amazing from scratch meal that you can eat any time of the day. So first up, our ingredients. I promised you this would be quick and easy, so I'm only including 3 ingredients here. We're gonna start with an acid. In this case, you can choose a vinegar, or if you're not into vinegar or wanna switch it up, some lemon juice. Second ingredient is extra virgin olive oil, and your third ingredient, maybe you want to count it as 2, are seasonings, salt and pepper. If you have any dried or fresh herbs, that can also be in the salad dressing. So 3 ingredients: an acid, whether it's vinegar or lemon, your oil, extra virgin olive oil in this case, and then seasoning. In this case, I'm simply using salt and pepper. Making your own salad dressing is a snap, as I'm about to show you, as is making your own yummy salad. Now, I love salads filled with greens and then whatever leftovers I can find in the refrigerator, whether it's leftover chicken or tofu. I like to chop up a little bit of cheese sometimes, add that to my lettuce. Additionally, I love to add veggies, whether they're cooked or they're raw. So I chop all that up and add that to my bowl. And then the next step is to make the dressing. So I start by taking some greens. In this case, I have some butter lettuce here. I just give them a little tear, makes them a little easier to eat later. And to that, I'm gonna add some seeds, and I had some leftover carrots that I'm just gonna break up and add to the salad, keeping this as easy as possible. Additionally, I'm gonna add some tomatoes. So then we start with our salad dressing. Item number 1 is to add your extra virgin olive oil, and my Nonna always taught to start with that and then to add your seasoning. It helps it stick. So we're gonna add some salt, sprinkle that on, and some fresh cracked pepper, sprinkle that on. Next up, we give the olive oil and seasoning a toss with our veggies. The oil coats the veggies, helps the seasoning to stick, and then you add in your vinegar. I like to put, if you have an open one like this, I like to put my thumb over the top so not a lot of vinegar comes out at a time. A little bit goes a long way. So I've added my vinegar. I'm gonna give this salad another toss, and voila. And that's it. That's how you make salad dressing. Super easy. And you'll always want to taste after you've tossed those 3 ingredients together, your seasoning, your olive oil, and your vinegar or your lemon, to see if anything tastes off. If it tastes a little bit too bland, you're going to want to add more seasoning. If you find that it doesn't have enough kick, you might need a little drizzle more of that vinegar or a little extra squeeze of the lemon. And if it feels a little dry, you might need another drizzle of that extra virgin olive oil. So I hope that you find time to make this quick and easy 3 ingredient homemade salad dressing and turn your next quick meal into something super delicious and homemade. Make sure you follow me and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy recipes for busy dancers on the go who want to learn how to cook from scratch. Again, my name is Gina McFadden. You can find me over at dancer-360.com.